Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can use Keyword.io for keyword research. Keyword.io is an easy to use and free keyword search tool that helps you find relevant search terms for your website, blog or online store. Let's dive right in. First head over to Keyword.io. Once the website loads, you'll see the main interface. With the help of this tool, you can do keyword search for Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing and for other platforms. Here you can enter your seed keyword or main keyword, and from here you can select your target country. Let's try it out. Let's enter the seed keyword. Let's suppose I enter home workout. After entering your seed keyword and selecting the country from here, click on search. Now you can see in less than a minute it has given you 641 keywords related to your seed keyword. Now it's asking you to create a free account. For the time being, scroll down and click on no thanks. Now here is the long list of keywords that Keyword.io has generated for you. You can select the keywords from here one by one, and the keywords you will select will appear over here, and you can select more keywords, or you can click on add all to save time to select all the keywords. So now all your keywords are in your list. You can export it from here. One limitation of Keyword.io is that it doesn't provide you the search volume, but I'll show you later in this video how you can use another tool known as searchvolume.io to find volume for these keywords. So let's go back to Keyword.io, and from here you can click on export to download the keywords. But to download these keywords you will have to sign up. But don't worry, it's very easy. You can create a free account here. Let's quickly create an account here. Click on login, and here enter your email address. Let me copy the address, paste here, set a password. Now select your role. You can select anyone. For example, I select SEO agency. Then I will uncheck this one and tick this box. Now click on sign up for free. Now go to your email to verify your account. Click the email and click on confirm my account. Now enter the seed keyword again. Click search. Click add all. And now we will have the option to download. So it's asking me to sign up. Let me log in here. Click login. Enter the seed keyword again. Now you have three options. You can download the selection as a text file or a notepad file. You can copy selection to clipboard, or you can import selection into Amazon keyword list tool. For the time being, I'll click on copy selection to clipboard. Now all these keywords have been copied. Now to find the volume for these keywords, I can go to searchvolume.io, and here I can enter all the keywords. But remember, you can enter only 800 keywords at a time. So I have 641 keywords. I'll paste them here, and from here I can select the country. I can select different countries. I'll keep it United States and then click on submit. Now scroll down to see the volume for each keyword. So this keyword has a volume of 27,100. Then this keyword has a volume of chest home workout 18,100. And similarly you can see the volume for all these keywords. You can also download this file as CSV. Now let's go back to Keyword.io. You can go here and type different keyword like lose weight, for example. Click search. Let's change the country this time and click on search. So it has given you 671 keywords. And similarly you can do keyword search for YouTube. Click on YouTube. Click on search again. You've got 911 keywords for YouTube related to lose weight in Canada. You can see all these keywords here. So you can see how easily you can use this tool to do keyword research for Google, YouTube, and for other platforms. This tool gives you a lot of keywords, and if you want to find search volume of these keywords, you can go to this tool, searchvolume.io. So by using these two tools, you can do keyword research easily. That's how you can use keyword.io for effective keyword research. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.